Got it.
That's what she said.
There you go.
You have to one time. You gotta.
You gonna hit the board? There you
Stop walking.
Yeah, you're like walking. Are you excited by it? Why is your nipples hard?
All right, here we go. Here we go.
There you go. Good job.
Ready?
Yeah, it looks normal. It looks natural for you.
Don't laugh.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he was hurt for a while.
You're talking about natural, huh?
He's whistling. Ay, ay, ay.
What?
Oh,
Don't put this
Who put this here?
Don't put this. Don't put the tables here.
Stupid Maria. Okay, ready?
Tables again?
Chris, you gotta get a little more relaxed. You're too stiff.
Okay, you're right. You're right.
That's what she said.
Oh, that was a good one, Tony. That was a good one.
Never heard
Just
that.
relax.
Literally, that's what
You're-
she said.
Shut up.
Hey. What do you, what flavor
Relax.
do you smoke?
See? You're doing better when you're relaxed. When you're too stiff, it's like.
You're right. You're right. All right, ready? Go now. Take a new video because.
Go.
You know the computer or no?
There you go.
You go
Kinda
to-
lax
you go
he
to
is
the
now.
computer, please. Just go.
Woo! There you go.
He's doing circus
See
rounds.
what happens with the confidence? Oh!
Oh, the man, the myth, the legend.
$20 money.
Did you try?
No. No.
Okay.
Come on.
I did. My nephews, please. You have no idea what
Come on.
happened to me.
Okay, you can stop the video.